Identities is a podcast where we get people from different walks of life, starting from leaders, industry leaders, creators, and so forth, a TEDx speaker. We want them to come to us, talk about their journey, the challenges that they have faced and they have been facing, and how they have overcome. That's going to help us and our viewers to gain knowledge as well as take action. So that is how crafting identities have been identified and we started it. So here, this is Gargi Sarkar, the founder of Ra Brand Consultants and the founder of Crafting Identities. So today's guest is someone who is a TEDx speaker, a leader, a serial entrepreneur, and so on and so forth. The list is long. Called Manoj Gursahani, and he has been around in the business for a long time, and he's come up with this interesting book called The Human Connect. So I would really like to talk about his book called The Human Connect, and we're going to have a conversation with him, a tete-a-tete with him. Stay tuned, watch it, and watch the entire podcast. It will be an interesting episode for you. Okay, so rethinking selling. Let's flip a belief here. What is selling wasn't about convincing, but about connecting.
So समझने में टाइम लगता है. ये क्वेश्चन भी आपके व्यूअर को समझने के लिए ना, the moment, and my answer is very simple. The moment you're connecting, everything happens.
Exactly.
So when you're, let's say I've come to sell you something. Moment I start, which I mentioned earlier, I'm selling, you switch off. Whether it's an insurance guy, whether it's anybody or whatever else it is. बेच रहा है मुझे. But moment he starts having a conversation with you, oh, what a lovely sari you're wearing, where did you get these frames from, whatever else it is, and what makes you tick, tell me about your life story, I've heard about you, whatever else. So then that connection happens.
Absolutely.
So then an investment of time happens, requires mental maturity, inner work on yourself.
Absolutely.
Having that mindset. Then honestly, whether it's sales, transaction, getting outcomes, all that will come.
Absolutely.
That's the outcome. ये approach है, वो outcome automatically
and
आएगा.
Always if you go with the approach नहीं मुझे अभी उसका result चाहिए.
Possible ही नहीं है.
कभी नहीं.
Unless you are very lucky, you are going to meet a man. It's like अरे मैं तेरे लिए रुका था, मुझे खरीदना था. वो तो 1 in a billion chances है. वो बहुत मुश्किल है. मगर otherwise, and वो आदमी ने आज नहीं भी खरीदा, कुछ भी आपने बेचने का, आप उससे खाली स्टोरी टेलिंग करके आप मिल के आए, then stay in touch. He'll keep saying, अरे ये आदमी तो मेरा अभी तक स्टेट में in touch. Then if he has to buy something,
come to you.
So here I'll give you a quick example of an insurance agent who used to call me regularly. मैं इसको एक बार ऐसे मिला था, कार्ड दिया था. So then he kept calling me, and to be very honest, he was selling me insurance premium, insurance. तो मैंने उसके कॉल नहीं उठाए काफी टाइम, and I admit to that because it's like a spam calling for me. Though I'd met him once. Then one day what he did, he read a copy of my book. He took a picture of one paragraph. He said, "Sir, I really enjoyed reading this book." And मुझे उसने WhatsApp किया. Now can you believe it? After that, if he calls up,
obviously अभी तो phone उठाओगी.
So थोड़ा सोचा उसने कि इसको कैसे कनेक्ट करूं, इसका ये पैशन है. He did his research, he did that. Not only खाली बोला, उसने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया, मार्क किया, this is impressed me, वाला उसे पढ़ा कि नहीं पता नहीं, मगर मुझे भेजा जरूर. Then I picked up this human tendency.
Nice.
I'm just kidding.
Nice, very nice, great. So I have next question, trust exercise. Now this is a big question, and I think I have that very often, and I ask people because I have people working in the company also, and then trust issues. Now, how do you manage this aspect of trust issues? There are trust issues that happen with people in the with relationships, also in the professional space. How do you manage that?
See, so it's a very deeper question. Trust is, I think it comes with wisdom, with judgment, with experience. And sometimes कुछ बुरा होता है, हम सबको, we can't paint them in the no, everybody is a crook, or somebody, or in a personal relationship you went through wrong, everybody's out
out there to
take advantage or whatever.
Of me, yes.
It's not necessarily true.
Exactly.
And I think it's only experiential learning, you build your trust circle. But all I want to say is, we have to also be trustworthy.
Yes.
So
true.
The biggest currency I believe we have, relationship first we build up, and then the trust. उसको मेंटेन करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पीपल, बिकॉज इन द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड आज 2 मिनट में इंफॉर्मेशन चले जाता है.
Correct,
इफ
correct,
यू
correct.
if you cheated somebody or done something wrong, it will
Oh,
completely
it will be up on the
viral हो
people start
जाएगा जो भी,
trolling you, and
especially
there's so many.
celebrities, so it's a tougher thing for an
Yes,
unknown guy also, it
exactly,
goes through
exactly.
that. So what I'm trying to say, trust is something you have to earn. Trust is something you have to get with maturity.
Yes.
Start meeting people. I'm not saying trust everybody you meet. With experience, meet the people, take time, invest in a relationship, and then the trust element will, I mean, for me now it's easier because your filters are different.
True.
You know, for you the filters are different because you're more matured. But for a younger Gen Z and all that,
Yes.
I'm not saying be averse, but take your time. But don't mistrust. At the same time, don't overtrust.
Yes.
But what
So
the middle
be
path?
cautious. I believe
Be
that
cautious.
cautious. I think be cautious.
Absolutely.
You don't need to
Correct.
overtrust, or you don't need to be completely mistrust.
Agreed.
So cautious is okay, and
Yeah.
cautious does not mean that you're not trusting the person. So you're
Correct.
not going with an open arm.
Correct.
Because I think you need to go with an open arm and
Correct.
just be there.
Absolutely.
Sometimes what happens is that we ourselves are,
Sure.
we make our mistakes there, right?
Sure.
So I think, yeah, that's what we need
Absolutely.
to do. So trust is obviously be cautious.
Just be cautious, I would say.
Manoj, how much of connections actually begins with self-awareness and inner work and rather than external skills?
Beautiful question. I think it all begins with, it's like what they say, na, our external thought thing is what we are thinking whole day long.
Correct.
Right? So I believe the inner work, first of all, knowing, acha, mujhe relationship, let's come to our human connect, because the topic is, so suppose I am an introvert or I want this, I want to now build relationships. Okay. So first the inner work, consciousness comes in, then inner work. Okay, what is the blocks which are coming to me?
Correct.
Block is I will feel somebody मेरे college में हंसा था, somebody shirked me away, or मुझे school के group से निकाल दिया, whatever those, it stays back in a subconscious mind, which is 95% of what drives our conscious mind.
Correct.
After you identified those patterns and what is stopping you, okay, I was an introvert. I've written in my book in school. I never used to speak to anyone. मुझे class में खड़े रह के question पूछने का हिम्मत नहीं होता था. And people, my daughters don't believe me. I बोला, Dad, how could you be introvert? But fact है, I'm being vulnerable about it. So I worked on myself. I joined National Public Speaking Academy. I started taking interest. I started having role model. And मुझे इसकी तरह बात करना है. Okay, so I started working on myself. So the work, inner work, consciousness,
Yes.
working on myself. I said, no, yeah, now I want to be the, I want to connect with people. I want to make a difference and all that. Then that work started. Then that flow started. Then it could. So to all of our listeners and all that, it is main, do inner work, be conscious. Then that external thing will already happen.
Yes. So more of inner work is required. And again, create a context and be there.
Correct.
This is where I want to reach with this.
Or
and
there
I
are many
want to do
people who
this.
don't want to connect.
Yeah, that's
मत
okay.
करो.
That's
But
okay.
अगर आपको outcome वो चाहिए, work on it. It's not difficult. It's
Of
like
course it
dancing
is
for
not
the first time.
difficult. Yeah.
If you have two left feet, सबको
Yes.
लग रहा है. I had that problem when before my daughter's Sangeet happened. I used to say, अरे मैं कैसे dance करूँगा? People had laughed at me in school when I was dancing and मैं तो 2 left feet है ये वो. But अभी तो संगीत है. Father को तो dance करना ही है. So I went into all that, called a choreographer, learned, and I did that. And I thought it was, people at least appreciated, अच्छा किया. The point is I had to overcome my phobia. Each one of us have phobia, fear, and some goes with the past, some goes with subconscious mind. We have to break all that.
We always have this thing of what people will say. कौन मुझे judge करेगा? Who is going to judge me?
True.
And we are so conscious about all that, and we are only living in that. So we are not really true ourselves.
Living for others.
Like I've always seen this. I've seen my daughter when it's raining. She just goes down and she's dancing.
Plays and as if they don't care who's watching.
हाँ, तो I will think 50,000 times to
कौन
do
देख
that.
लेगा तो क्या बोलेगा?
कौन देखेगा, क्या बोलेगा, कौन किस एक मेरा image है. I have to maintain that image of mine. So I sometimes try to see what she's doing and I'll do it with her.
Correct.
Because it's so beautiful.
So that's
to
an
just
innocent
do that.
joy.
Yeah, such an innocent thing. So, Mama, come down.
Let's play.
I said, नहीं, somebody will see. लोग क्या बोलेंगे? लोग क्या बोलेंगे is so much for us, and we are so engrossed entrapped in that.
So my answer, simple answer, and thank you for sharing that, is that like be open to explore and work on it, and you work on it inner self, the outcome, external world will.
Perfect. Now, this is very interesting question, which is out to AI. So, AI gets faster, smarter, and more efficient. Pause and ask yourself, what will still make humans irreplaceable?
So, मैं तो बोलता हूँ एक AI है, which is artificial intelligence,
हाँ.
ChatGPT, Gemini,
हाँ.
दुनिया भर के Claude, whatever else it
Correct,
is,
correct.
Grok, ये सब आ गया,
Perplexity.
Perplexity सब आ गया, and the youngsters know more about it than
Yes.
we do. And then I believe I call it, this is also called it digital intelligence. Okay?
Absolutely.
So I have introduced one more. EQ तो मैंने बात किया, emotional intelligence, and I talk about another thing called SI, social intelligence. Social intelligence is how you go, you move the room, how you
Yeah,
meet people,
correct.
how you dress well, how do you smell well,
Yes.
how do you when you go that, and whatever else it is, all that. So that's social intelligence, and the whole thing is that awareness of connecting and using AI. So in AI में हो क्या रहा है? We are all getting all the answers for the AI. AI has also become a therapist, answers your letters, question.
True.
I did my medical report today. I put it on AI. मेरे को पूरा डॉक्टर्स के पास भी हम रिपोर्ट लेके
History,
जाते हैं.
geography, सब
AI
कुछ दे
पूरा,
देगा
which
आपको.
is, I think if you can use AI for the good. The only
Yes.
thing with the digital world is हम हमारे जमाने में क्रिकेट खेलते थे,
Yes.
फुटबॉल खेलते थे, like you know whatever else it is, and we used to play, we used to meet, we used to connect. Now even in the same house there are 4 people,
They're
you
all
know,
sitting on the phone
sitting on the
or,
phone and doing their whole thing. कोई Zoom पे बैठा है, कोई किधर है, and nobody is talking to each other.
True.
So I think that AI is where the human connect will work the best. Because there are times when you say, अरे बहुत हो गया यार, चलो जाके दोस्त के साथ मिलते हैं. We'll go to a pub or wherever, or a cup of tea, coffee, whatever. And that charm is different.
Absolutely.
So I will tell
different.
all our viewers, and I also
Yes.
try that.
Yes.
It's called the digital detox.
Yeah.
We should try that. And also there is something called as a Pomodoro technique. So what we should do, even
Pomodoro technique, correct.
the attention deficit is also in ADHD बोलो कि क्या बोलो.
Yeah.
So we should take task 1 hour, एक task, like अभी हम 1 घंटा बात कर रहे हैं, podcast ही कर रहे हैं, कुछ
Correct.
नहीं distraction है.
Absolutely.
Like that, imagine you take one task, you're doing
Yes.
creative work, or somebody's doing a photography session or whatever else. You only do that 1 hour of that, and then
Yes.
take a break, then go. Don't just rush. अरे आज Facebook में कितना like हुआ, Insta में कितना
हाँ.
हुआ, for the dopamine hit
Yeah.
and then oxytocin hit, which are, you know what I call it, the dose, the dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin
Yeah.
release we all
कितने
look for.
लोगों ने मेरी पोस्ट पे लाइक किया
Like
है.
क्या?
हाँ.
Nothing right or wrong. I'm not judging
No.
anything. I'm
That
just
is
saying
how it
उसको एक
is.
balance करने के लिए
True,
अपने
true.
लोगों से मिलो, friends से मिलो, go and visit your relatives, friends, go walk in the park. जब walk करने जाओ 1 घंटा phone घर पे छोड़ के जाओ.
Correct.
Whatever else it is. So if you start doing little bit of that, then I believe in the AI. Otherwise, there's a huge disconnect. But the advantage is, if in the world of AI where everybody is disconnected and you are connected, you are the winner.
Yes, true. And I always say this to everyone, that utilize AI as a tool, not
Correct.
have AI, be dependent on AI completely. So be it anything.
It
But
cannot
I
take
think
over
with-
emotion.
Absolutely. But with AI, a lot of things have become easier for us
Sure.
today. With a task that we used to take
Correct.
4 hours, 5 hours, we
Or
do
days.
it in minutes.
Correct.
For days, right? We
So
do
use
it in
that.
minutes.
Absolutely.
And use as a tool, but don't
Correct.
become. But human connect is always
Correct,
a human
correct.
connect.
Don't become a slave to it. Use it to
Use
your
it.
advantage.
Absolutely correct. So that's with the AI. Now, one action, one shift. Okay, let's make this practical. Manoj, what is one simple practice listeners can start today, and something small but powerful, but to build it better?
तो पहले तो when you have first listen to a podcast well,
Yes.
then
absolutely.
out of this podcast, pick up 2-3 points which you picked up, whether my framework or whatever else. So you were approached. For my biggest thing today is, in today's disconnected world, nobody is listening. कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है.
Absolutely.
Okay, and
सब बोलने वाले
सब
हैं.
बोलने वाले हैं, सबको अपना बोलना है. अगर आप सुनना शुरू कर दो, what is a therapist? I joke about it. A therapist is somebody who charges you to listen to you.
Oh yes.
Most of the time you are talking, he's just listening. Because, and today even for parents, I want to say, who have younger kids, why do the younger kids go here and there? Because even the parents are too busy. I'm not judging anybody. There's nobody to listen. So I believe listening is all pervasive.
Absolutely.
My biggest takeaway among all my other framework is, learn to listen, learn to effectively listen, learn to respond, and not react. Because हम react, कुछ बोले, अरे तूने ऐसे बोला, we do all that. I'm saying don't react, wait, breathe, because in some tough situations come, we respond. So respond in that manner. But one of the key takeaway is, so pay attention, listen, use those frameworks whenever possible, and hopefully they'll move towards that quality of human connect or relationship, which I believe will help them in their personal, professional, business, entrepreneurial journey.
Amazing. So we are reaching our few questions which we have. So every framework changes its creators first. Okay. Now, Manoj, how have human connect changed the way you lead today and lead your life today?
So and that was through realization. So because I'm a business coach and I talk on this subject to various corporates, and so when you teach, you learn the maximum.
Oh yes.
So actually keep reading my own book and saying, have I applied those things? So I become conscious. So because when I wrote the book, I dug deeper. It's not just like, वो जमाने में honestly chat GPT नहीं था, तो मैंने दिल से लिखा है book, okay, which was in the COVID time. So because I practice it every day, and I always say it has to be inside out. You can't fake it. Absolutely. So it's my way of life, and because I've taught these principles, I try to apply them every day. Perfect. So that's the way I correct. And there are sometimes I feel, and when I reflect, I was not a good listener. And there are times I accept that. So we are all vulnerable, right?
Of course.
There are sometimes I'm in a hurry, मैंने सुना नहीं किसको, और मैंने sometimes नाम remember नहीं किया. Not that I know it all, but this is my journey. So I'm aware of that, and because my passion is to connect with people, I keep applying my own formulas to myself also.
Amazing. And I think, the word that you use, vulnerable, I think we are afraid to be vulnerable. We always think that vulnerable हुआ तो we'll fall, और गिरे तो बस फिर से people will judge. तो vulnerable मत हो. तो I think, but vulnerability is one of the strongest
beautiful
and the
quality.
Strength. It's a strength.
In fact, if you're vulnerable, is what you said is beautiful.
Yeah.
Vulnerability is also one of the key takeaways. It's okay to fail.
Yes,
it's okay.
To fail.
Youngsters having startup, this, that, it's okay to fail.
Okay to fail.
मेरे से गलती हो गई.
गलती हुआ है, fail किया, कोई बात नहीं, उठो फिर चलो.
करो.
And that's why I think vulnerability is beautiful, and we always think that vulnerability matlab people will take advantage, and that's not the case.
No.
The more vulnerable you are, the more the strength you have. You're actually honest.
People try to be protective
about you. Yes. So the closing reflection. Now, before we end, I want all the listeners and subscribers to sit and write the question, okay, or you can comment below. Like, Manoj, if they remember only one thing out of this, what do you think that they should remember and take it back with them?
So investing in people is very important.
Right.
And it could be not only business investment. So talk on, वो मत देखो मुझसे उससे क्या फायदा मिलता है.
Correct.
I would say even watchmen of your building, be sensitive to that. The guy who delivers your Zepto parcels, I ask them, my standard instruction, उसको पानी चाहिए कि नहीं दो.
Yes.
I actually keep a biscuit pack for them because we have to be empathetic EQ.
Absolutely.
So if you're sensitive towards that, have a kinder heart. Think what difference can you make. And so it's not that अरे काम वाला आदमी उसको ज़्यादा respect दो. Respect सबको दो. So I'm saying treat everybody well. Think of it, everybody you're building relationship with.
True.
Respect people. You'll get that mutual respect. Be a giver. Try to find out what you can do for them. I'll give you a quick example on a closing note. So there's a lady who's a sweeper in my building. Her husband used to drink a lot. So I told him to दारू पीना बंद कर. And then, I will give something to you. It just happened last week. I went down. That day he was standing in a uniform. I said, sir, abhi main gaadi chala raha hu. I had tears of joy.
Exactly.
Because I said, wow, you change that. I said, itni achhi biwi mili hai, change karo. So what am I getting out of it? It's a love for human beings.
Yes.
It's investing in people. It's love for people. Then the human connect will come naturally.
Yes.
And that day immediately ऐसा हुआ मैंने किया मेरे पास 2 पैंट पड़े थे which are not even 2 trousers. I immediately went and gave it to him and I said, my acknowledgement for him, not that he's driving my car, it's just caring for people.
Yes.
If you care for people, and people in today's world can make out fake from original.
Oh
so
yes,
be
I
original.
always say this.
So be original. वो fake होने से मतलब नहीं है because people have become smarter.
Yes.
The younger generation, so they have the filters. So दिल से करो and you will see magic happening which you are not even imagine what could happen.
Absolutely correct. So great. I think thank you, Manoj.
My pleasure.
I think it was a great conversation. It was a great
Thank you.
And a lot of human connect.
Yes, thank you.
That we had.
Thank you for such lovely questions.
Yeah. So now for the viewers and for the listeners, I hope you had a great time listening to this and having a conversation. And it was more of a conversation. We would love to hear comments in the comment section and waiting to hear from everybody that what kind of human connect that you guys have connected with us today. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.